It is going to be a two-step process to check graphics card on Windows. Right click on desktop, then click on display settings, scroll down, then click on display adapter properties, then select adapter tab. You can see your adapter type. Also in the adapter information, you can check your chip type, graphics memory and many more information. Now click on OK and close all windows. Now get the cursor on Windows icon, right click on it, then click on Device Manager. It will open Device Manager. Now click here to expand display adapter. After expanding it, you can also see your graphics card information. That's it guys, your problem is solved. You are good to go.